Hello, let's take a look on Heijo Bike's 26-inch road cut. This is the left side view from the rear part. From the right side. From front. Let's take a look on how we turn on the battery. We just push the button here. Now it's on. We long push 3 seconds. It will be off. And then we push 3 seconds again. It will be on. The cells will come. As we can see, it has speed, battery display, range, chip, ODO, and the PAS. We have 5 different pedal assisted speeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we also have the throttle here, throttle with button for safety. When you throttle, we turn on the button and the switch, motor is running. When speed on 20, max speed is 25 km/h. And you can see this is a hydraulic disc brake lever, left and right. 7 gears Shimano. Let's take a look on the frame. Battery is under the saddle here. This is the battery, 36 volt, 10.4 amp-hour lithium battery. This is the charger hole for charger. Takes about 4 to 5 hours. And this is the lock, the key to lock the battery. We turn and the bulk will be out, battery will be out. And see the rear wheel. We can see Shimano 7 gears, flywheel, Shimano Autos derailleur 7 speed, 250 watts brushless motor, hydraulic disc brake for the rear wheel, torque sensor, BB axle, which good for climbing or uphill. This bike can do 25 km/h with 250 watts motor, and it can go 6 km for the range. Max loading 120 kg, 26-inch wheel, front LED light, torque sensor, pedal assisted, and with throttle too. Okay, thank you.